Morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel once again. Yeah, I did a video yesterday and never knew I didn't use my mic, so the video was without any talk on the video. I didn't unmute the mic. So yesterday while I was doing the video, I explained the possible move which I'm expecting, possible bullish setup, which is very important for us to understand and take note of what I'm expecting. Yeah, I'm not going to stay too long on this video. I want to quickly do a short and sharp update on BTC. Yeah, so before I use the Ichimoku, let's look at the levels here. Very fast one. Let's look at the levels. We have this level here, which is very important. And BTC had really tried, and the move from this level was really unexpected, but the breakout from this level was really cool and nice move to the upside. Yes, so what we should be expecting is price staying above this level that we're seeing here. Price need to stay above it, and another level again to keep an eye on is 50, 51, 52 level. But yes, another thing everyone needs to keep an eye on is a pullback, and I think that's what I'm going to use the Ichimoku with. So I've been looking at how I'm going to drop the Ichimoku 102, which has to do with signals of Ichimoku, and those signals are what I want to explain a little bit here. So what are those signals? We have the bearish signals and the bullish signals, which the bullish signal is what I used here, and I closed my long position. So we are getting into something good around here, which I think we should pay close attention to before we decide on going totally long here. Wouldn't make sense if you open a long position here, because price is going into the cloud. It needs to close inside the cloud. Even if it closes inside the cloud, it needs to get to this top flat cloud, and this top flat cloud is serving as a resistance here, just like what we had here. If you look at this this major daily candlestick, let me expand this very well. If you look at this major daily candlestick, you can see it closed below the cloud here, and you can see that down cloud here, which served as a resistance, and price found it difficult to move inside. So and what we're seeing here is price is inside the cloud. No, I'm not talking about the rejection move now, but paying attention to the body of the candlestick. It's inside the cloud. So what I'm expecting is the body of the candlestick should close this way, and when it closes this way, we're going to get an edge to edge trade. So yeah, like I said, we have a resistance here. This is support. We'll turn to future resistance. So we have a resistance here, which price will likely slow down and consolidate a bit. So it doesn't mean that okay, price has closed this way, so immediately we're gonna get a shoot straight to the upside. But you can see what happened here. When price closed inside here, it pulled back a little bit, pulled back, and eventually got to that flat level. So if we get this consolidation around here, maybe this support, previous support turn to future resistance, so we'll get a slow movement around here. Price must continue to maintain this previous resistance here, will now turn to future support, must maintain these supports for that push to the upside. And in the process of consolidation, we might likely get a bullish Kumo cloud twist. Yes, that's the next one. Now, other signals, we have the TK bullish cross at the bearish territory. So this price is below the cloud, and anything below the cloud is still bearish. And we can see all metrics are still below the cloud and the bearish territory. So whenever you have a bullish cross at the bearish territory, is a weak bullish cross. So what I'm seeing here is still more push to the upside, because we're getting the Kijun angulation to the upside and Tenkan angulation to the upside, which is a strong move to the upside. And the Chiku span is above the price. So that is the first setup that has went through, which is good. But the next one which I want to see is I want the Chiku span to move above this cloud. So maybe we're going to get this consolidation, maybe pull back and out of the cloud. But we want something to happen around here, so that the price will go outside the cloud. It is very important. Price closes outside the cloud. If it does, then we're going to get a bullish future Kumo cloud. And when that happens, we're going to get a push to the upside. So we need to be very careful at this point. This is not really a point where you start opening a trade on BTC and saying you want to open a long position. You want to open a full long position, you have to wait for all metrics to be bullish, and you can take the short to the upside. Yeah, and if we get a push to the downside, we might likely get this level back again, or lower to this level. So this must maintain this level for that push to the upside. And yes, let me quickly look at ETH, which is the last one before I. Yeah, so first thing first, we have the TK bullish cross. Chiku span is going inside the price, which is not really good, and we'll have this resistance here. So it's going to face this lower cloud resistance, and you can see the cloud is still wide open, no sign of coming back up. So whenever you see this is flat, it's also showing you that perfect support or resistance level, just like BTC2. So I think when BTC moves really fast to the upside, you're going to get this push to this level. And so far so good. I think things are starting to get more and more interesting. So we're going to see more and more move from now to the end of this week. So you want to take advantage, go to other coins and take advantage of that. Look for any good chart pattern setup and take advantage of the move to the upside. Yes, use lower time frame. You can't use daily time frame for all those coins and say you want to open a long position. No, you go to lower time frame. So I think that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I will be doing a lot of update on my signal group. I'm going to update the whole move, the whole BTC move. I just wanted to explain what is happening to you guys so that you see what you should be doing. So let me use this last one here, which is the buy and sell indicator. Yes, that is our buy signal. So this is the first buy signal since the short opened here. So we'll be looking at opening a long position when this level has been broken to the upside. So this buy signal is something we should pay attention to. Just like you can see here, I got the buy signal, went to this, got the buy signal, went to this, and another one that drew my attention is on the weekly time frame. Okay, we see the buy signal here went long, and we got a lot of short, and now it's the signal to close your short position. So you can see another buy signal here, which is a long position here, and we got the price pushed to the upside here. So for that to happen, you can see how price closed above this blue EMA, stayed above the level and continue to push higher. So what we want to see here is price to stay and maintain this level here. This could likely push back up like this, and want price to maintain that level of support to the upside. If not, we're going to get a continuation to the downside, but this is a good signal to the upside. So, and lastly, one thing I check again is this other indicator. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, we get to get the. Okay, we get to get that signal here. So most of the indicators I use are pointing at yeah. So this is practically telling you is at the top. Resistance, support, resistance. So it's telling you resistance here a little bit, that there will likely be a push down back. So but not really paying attention to this though. But we should be expecting if this doesn't go above this level, there will be a push back down. But so far so good. The market move has been really great, and setting up for something good. Okay, so I will continue to update this chart on my Signal group. If you have not joined, check the link in the description below and join. And feel free to send me a message on Telegram, on Twitter, and on WhatsApp if you have my numbers. So guys, happy trading, and enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.